Hi guys, hi, good evening everyone. How are you all? Please let me know in the comments. Let me also check like who all are there in the comment section today. Hi Ayush, hi Akash, hi Hari, hi Sai Kumar, hi Neela, hi Poonam, hi Salaudin, hi Akash, hi Nagaraju, hi Raman, hi Venkatesh, Kinjal, Shilpi, Roaster Bhai, okay, Soma, Uddhav, Vidya Jyoti, okay, great, Shiv Dikshit, okay, hi Muskan, hi Vaishnavi, hi everyone, hi Rahul, hi Shilpi, hi Dhruv, hi Maria, hi Kushal, Suchi, Vivek, Aditya. Great. So it's very it feels very great, guys, to have you all here. So welcome everyone. Welcome to this Essentials 2.0, and this is Python 02 Hero program, day one. This is day one, guys, of Python 02 Hero. I welcome all of you to this program. Okay, right. So I'm here just to make a quick chit chat, guys. I'll just quickly bring in your instructor for this course. I just want to make few announcement actually, but before that, I would like to have a few interaction with you all. So can you all please mention your places, guys, from where you are actually watching this session right now? I'm here in Odisha, to be very specific, in Bhubaneswar. So hi everyone from Bhubaneswar, Odisha, to one and all out there. Can you all please mention all your places in the comment section? Delhi, AP, Delhi, great. Yes, Ben, you'll get certificate. Yes, for sure. Bangalore, Sonipat, great. Tamil Nadu, Bangalore, Chennai, Pune, Hyderabad, Bhopal, Varanasi, Kerala, Delhi, Punjab, Pune, Haryana, Ghaziabad. Great, great. Lucknow, Andhra, okay, now it's getting a bit tougher. Mangalore, Howrah, Ghaziabad again, Varanasi, Bangalore, Bhopal, Indore, Koraput, Punjab, Patna, okay, Kerala again, Mumbai, Indore, Pune, Andhra Pradesh, Coimbatore. That's great. That's nice, guys. Gwalior, Telangana again, Nasik. So we have a lot of people from a lot of places here. Peshawar, someone from Peshawar. Hi from India. Hi everyone, and Sajanpur, Gwalior, Tamil Nadu, Nagpur again, Bangalore, Motari, Mumbai. Great, great. I welcome all of you once again, guys, to this Essentials 2.0, and this is Python 02 Hero Day 1 program. So, few announcement, guys, before we start the session. I'll bring in your instructor, but just before that, I would like to give some information about this course. So, very first thing is those who have not registered for this course, please do register for the course. The registration link is already pinned over the chat in the comment, guys. Also, you'll find it over the description. Second is there is a community link actually in the description. Okay, anyway, my team member would also put that in the comment, but also you can check out the description section for the community link, where you'll find all the necessary information, the schedule and all. If any changes, everything will be posted there. Also, you'll find the assignment and material for the classes posted over their community, guys. So community is very important, and you do register, guys. If you have not registered for the course, please do register to get benefits out of this course. What are the benefits? So guys, we have two kinds of certificate actually. One is participation certificate and second is completion certificate. Okay. Who would be getting participation? Who would be getting completion? So the students who would attend all this, like 3+1, 4 days of session, 3 days of Python, and one more day of career and placement session. If you attend all these 4 sessions and put attendance for this day, then you'll be eligible for participation certificate, guys. Okay, along with putting attendance for all these 4 days, if you are also submitting the assignment, whatever your instructor will be giving throughout this course, if you also submit assignments, then you would also be eligible for completion certificate. Okay, and the completion certificate and both participation certificate, guys, this would be from LetsUpgrade, of course. Also, it is accredited by ITM group of institutions, NSDC, Skill India. Okay, right? So all this thing you'll be getting, guys, if you attend all this 4 session and put attendance. So you'll be getting participation certificate if you only put attendance. For completion certificate, along with attendance, you also have to submit assignment. And those who would be eligible for completion certificate, they are going to get physical copy of the completion certificate, guys. Okay, so if you want a physical copy of completion certificate, then don't only not only not only put attendance for the 4 sessions, but also you need to submit assignment for it. Okay, the very next question is, I might ask, where do we put attendance? There is an attendance link, guys. There is an attendance link in the description box. You can find it there. Anyway, my team member also, like Isha, is now putting it in the comment section. Okay, you will find the attendance form link there, and the same form link you can put attendance for all the days. Okay, right? So every day you attend, and every day you put attendance for the respective day. That's what you need to do. Where you would find assignment, you have to submit assignment, right, to be eligible for completion certificate. Where you will find assignments and the class materials would be posted in the community group, guys. Community group link is also there, mentioned in the description. Okay, then where you would submit the assignment, so there is an assignment submission form link also in the description, where you can submit all the assignment, guys. So do check out that. Everything is guided over there in the form. Just check out the form link after the session, and there is a video embedded over there. It is like the video is guiding. Okay, the video is a guided video, like, which tells you, which says how to submit assignment and all. Everything is there. Okay, right? So yeah, so I think I have made my like announcement done. I'm done with my announcement. I think you now have all the necessary information about this course, guys. Right now, let's not delay anymore. I'll just bring in your instructor and you'll start your session. Hello, sir. Hi, Mohit sir. Good evening. How are you? Sir, you're on mute.
Hello, Shubrat. I'm fine. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. I'm absolutely fine. So, guys, please let's welcome Mohit sir. Say hi to Mohit sir. He would be the instructor for this Python Zero to Hero program. He's a very experienced person, and he has himself, like, he's an author of a book of Python. He has developed also some libraries of Python also. Okay, so he's a very experienced person. He's the best person you'd find. Like, for this course, I'll say, yeah, he is the best person here. Python Zero to Hero program. So I'll not take much time. I'll just go to the backend now. I'll hand it over to Mohit sir. Sir, I'm going to backstage. You please take it ahead. They are waiting. Even you are waiting to teach them. So all yours, sir.
Okay. Okay. Good evening, namaste, adab, sat sri akal. कैसे हैं आप लोग? So I'm going to start this session, this wonderful session, Python Zero to Hero. Okay. So today's agenda is to complete the basics of Python and object and some data structure of Python. Okay, and installation also, and the different type of editor available in the market. Okay, we will see that. Okay, so just give me 1 second. I'm just opening the PPT. Okay, just give me 1 second. Just 1 second. So I'm using 3 screen structure here. One screen is this one. The one here I'm working, and second screen for just for my help, and this third screen, that's a mobile screen. Okay, that way I can see your comments. Okay, so 3 screen. If I look at this means I'm taking some, I'm opening some document, and if this side means I'm looking at your comments. Okay, I hope you're getting the sense. ये ना हो कि सोचे कोई मेरा रिश्तेदार आके इधर बैठ गया और मैं उस तरफ देख रहा है, ऐसा नहीं कुछ नहीं है, ठीक है? Okay. So sometimes people think कि कोई मुझे बुला रहा है या इसलिए मैं उधर देख रहा हूँ. No, it's due to document opening and some software are there, like tablet software. So that's why sometimes I look this side. Okay, so let's start today's topic. So I'm going to share my screen first. So screen में अब इधर जाता हूँ slide. So let me share my screen. Share screen. Screen 1. Okay, I hope you can see my screen. So okay. Program not mentioned in the attendance form. Okay, so now I can see Python introduction. Okay, I'm making it down. Okay. Okay. So what is Python? First, let's see what is Python. Then we will see Python installation. Then basic Python syntaxes. Okay. So what is Python? Anyone in the chat box can tell me what is Python? Python is a programming language. Okay, Python is a programming language. So sometimes we think Python is for data science, Python for machine learning. No, Python, yes, Python, we can use Python for machine learning, we can use Python for data science, but Python is a general purpose language. general purpose language where from which we can solve the mathematical problem or modern day problems. We can make the softwares. Okay, uh, it is not just for the machine learning, just for data science. You can make any software in this one. Any software means almost any software. Okay, not all kind of software, almost any software. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we will see the editor. So where is Python language used? So what are the areas? What are the different areas where you can use Python language? Obviously, first data science, machine learning. Data science, machine learning. We have different libraries like NumPy, SciPy, scikit-learn. Okay, uh, Panda library for data visualization, for data checking, data gathering. Okay, data processing. Web application development. So we have some framework like Django framework, like a Flask framework. Okay. Network monitoring, yes, you can make the software for the network monitoring, like monitor the router, monitor the Juniper devices, monitor the Cisco devices, sending the ping packet and getting the response. You can develop the network scanning software also. Okay, I have already written a book on the network security book by using the Python. So book name is Python Penetration Testing Essential, first edition, second edition. Okay, so totally I have written 5 books. So I will tell you धीरे धीरे, okay, gradually. Game development, so there are some library by which you can use make the games. Natural language processing, NLTK, there are library present in the Python. IoT, miss, I'm not saying you can build the IoT software. Okay, miss, you can take the data from the IoT or you can write the ETL scripts. Okay. Web scraping, definitely there are some framework like scraping and the request is a module, and scrap is a framework by which you can scrap the data from the website in the multi-threaded or multi-processing or multi-programming way, in a multitasking way. Okay, so reason to choose Python. So I cannot see comment. Just okay, now I can see the comment. Reason to choose. Just 1 second. Grades are great. Okay. Reason. Multi-purpose. Reason देख लिया already I can see. It's reason to choose. Was library. Okay. मैं थोड़ा सा font बड़ा कर देता हूँ. There are so many libraries and module present on the online. Okay. If you want to check, let me on one. Um, what is that? That's PayPy. PayPy.org. Okay. PayPy.org. And you can see over here, there are so many projects, 3 lakh to 26,000 something project, and releases file users. Okay, so consider if you want to search, if you want to develop something, you can search over here. Okay, like ping. Let's see. Oh, there's ping implementation of ICMP ping. So no need to write ping packet, just you can use it. Okay, you can develop your own uh, sending the ICMP packet software. Next, consider COVID. Let's see what happened. There's packages. I don't know what they do, but you can check. But just click over this one, and you can check if you want to install. Just use pip install COVID. Okay, how to install pip is install COVID, and you can use like this. Means it will give you the latest information. Scrap from the website, and it will give you the latest information about the COVID situation. Like consider I want to search my own data structure which I made to solve my task, like mlist. Okay, mlist version 1. So that's a version 1 modified list that's created by Mohit. You can see my name over here. Okay, mlist is a Python list for the new advanced methods. So actually every time I need to write some method for some task, I need to write some method, so again and again. So I create my module for myself. But when I give the code to other, they say, Mohit, ye module nahi hai. This module is not there. So I put my module online. So just use this one, pip install mlist. You can install the mlist in your PC. Okay. Question is, sir, company mostly ask for the Java, C++, as Python uses module to do work. So, sir, should we opt Python or any other language for a site or game? Uh, Ask for Java, C++. So, Java or C++ as Python. I'm not getting this sentence. Java or C++ as Python means what is the meaning of? Hi, Rajneesh and Rashid. Please use Max English. Okay, so you can use this one to install pip install mlist. This command to install the module in your computer. Just write pip install mlist. Let's see what happened. So you can see requirement already satisfied because I have already installed the mlist in my PC. Okay, I hope you're getting the sense. So please check if you have installed already pip, then you can run this command without any issue. Let me have some water. Now let's see pip सबसे पहले कौन सी लैंग्वेज सीखनी चाहिए? Any language. Okay. Okay, now let's see the next one. Python installation. So what to do in Python installation? So there are when it comes to the installation, I prefer two system, Windows and most people uses the Windows, then Linux, then Mac. Okay, I don't know about the Mac, but it's pre-built in the Mac system. In the Linux, you can install very easily. But if you are using Ubuntu 20, but Ubuntu 20 is coming with the Python 3.8, so no need to install any version in Ubuntu 20. Okay, and in the Windows, if you want to install, there are two different Python are available. Okay, there are two different Python are available. So I'm getting one thing. Please speak English. So I'm speaking. So speak English. Okay. Sometimes people say English, sometimes Hindi. I am also a Python user. I'm not getting this. Okay. Python installation. Let's see how to install the Python. First, if you just want to learn Python, you can check Python download. Python download. If you just want to learn Python, core Python, then you can use this software. Uh, Download here, you can see download button. Okay, Windows. Okay, Windows. Click on this one. So you can see here, check your computer system. Sometimes people try to install 64-bit version. So how to check your system version, system 32-bit or 64-bit? Okay, so first of all, click on the My Computer. Go to the property. Here you can see the property. And over here you can see the 64-bit operating system. So I am using 64-bit operating system. Okay, so you can check over here. Sometimes people don't know whether they are using 32-bit or 64-bit. So my system is 64-bit. I can see. Okay, so let's check the installer. So 3.9 cannot be used in the Windows 7. So this is not for the Windows 7. If you are using Windows 7, so please check the version of your interest. You can install Python 3.8. So you can use Python 3.8 if you are using Windows 7. Okay. So let's check. Let's download it. I have already downloaded. Let's download. Okay. So I have successfully downloaded it. Okay, downloaded it. So I'm just giving the small step. Okay. So what to do? Sometimes people do very big mistake. What? So before installation, create a folder over here like Python 3. Okay, create a folder, empty folder. Okay, and click on this one installation. Now, sometimes people use this one install now. You can see this path is very weird path. C user, then the username Mohit, app data, local program, Python 3.9. Okay, So what to do? First of all, click on this one, add 3.9 to the path. Done. Customize installation. I know most of people know how to install the Python, but they just put the next, and after that they check where is Python. They don't know where is Python. Okay, so I'm giving a very simple path. Click on add path 3.9, customize installation. This is okay. Next. Now you can see over here, this is remove this one, copy this path, and this is the mandatory step. Not mandatory, but this is a good steps you can follow. Okay, although you can install without using this step, next, but that's not a you will get some problem some if you install just on the given path already set which is already given. Don't use that path, just give your own with your means convenient path. So C Python 3 and then press install, done. Okay. Okay, now let's see. No, it's not necessary. Saluga Shava, please increase the quality of video. Which notepad is best for the Python like Charm? Sir, we can install Spider. Okay, okay, done. Okay, so in this way you can install the simple Python. Okay, or you can use the Anaconda you can use. I'm not going to download, I'm just telling you. Anaconda Python. Go to the Anaconda. What Anaconda Python means, uh, Anaconda community use this Python software and the put the third party libraries on it, so that you no need to install manually. Okay, it comes with the third party library. So you can see over here 64-bit and 32-bit. Download and install. When you install this Python Anaconda version, you will get multiple things. First, the Jupyter notebook. Okay, Jupyter notebook, that is for the beginner, but I'm not going to use the Jupyter notebook. I'm very simple person, I'm using the Notepad plus plus. Okay, so you can use Jupyter notebook if you want to use that, you can use. Okay, Jupyter PyCharm all, some my PC 32-bit, that's okay, you can use 32-bit version. Okay, okay, let's close this one. So installation part is completed. I hope you can install. So editor, sometimes people say Sublime version, sometimes people say Notepad plus plus, sometimes Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, Spider, Atom. Okay, there are so many, not so many. There are many editors are in the market. You can use any editor of your choice. Main thing is logic. What are you writing in the editor? Note editor. If you like Visual Studio Code, you can use Visual Studio Code. If you like Notepad plus plus, that's okay. PyCharm, that's okay. Spider, that's okay. Okay, I like this one. This is Notepad plus plus. This is very lightweight. When because I'm giving the session, so a lot of data. My computer is already doing some processing. Okay, this is live capturing live data. So that's why I'm using the very lightweight editor. You know, this Visual Studio Code some takes some little bit more power when it started. PyCharm also, Spider also. So that's why I'm using very lightweight editor, Notepad plus plus. Okay. Okay. So any doubt so far, please ask. So Notepad plus is very easy. You can see I have already written. Okay, sorry, close this one. Okay, so this is Notepad plus plus. Okay. Now let's write the first program. So first is print statement. So let's see some basic thing, print statement. How to print in the Python. Okay, one more thing. When you successfully install the Python, you can check Python. Just try Python here. Now I can see Python 3.8, and this is the Anaconda version. Okay, and this is a Python shell where you can run 1-2 line of code. Okay, like a plus like 10, any calculation you want to perform, consider what is the binary number of decimal number of this one? You can use like 2 to 4. This is the binary number of this one. Okay, means small calculation you can perform over here. Okay, no need to go on the editor, then save, then run. Okay, small calculation you can perform over here. Okay, let's me check the comment. Can we get this recording? Yes, it is available on the YouTube. You will get कोड याद रखने में बहुत दिक्कत है, बहुत कंफ्यूजन है. No, practice, Ansh, practice makes a man perfect. Practice. Okay, once you do practice, everything will be in your muscles memory. Okay, I think you have heard the term muscles memory. ठीक है? Okay, code, anything needs the practice. If you want to go gym, that's need practice, daily practice. Okay. Which is the best idea for Python? No, there's nothing best here. It's totally depend upon your convenience. Okay, your interest. I love this very simple thing. Notepad plus plus. Okay, you can go for PyCharm if you want. You can go for Visual Studio Code. I have all. You can see I have all Visual Studio Code. I have PyCharm. I have all. But end of the day, I use only two. One is the Notepad plus plus, and other is Sublime version. Okay. Can I use shell version of Python? Yes, you can use. You can use anything, dear, anything. Your computer, your editor, your choice. Main thing is logic. Okay, logic. So let's check the first one, print statement. Print statement. So how to print? So in the print statement, first of all, write the statement like print our ritual hello world. Save this one in this one, and let's upgrade. I'm making here. Let's YouTube. This is 13. YouTube, all the YouTubes. Okay. One more folder that is in 13 SAP. In this one, any name you can use of your choice, then .py. Done. Okay, now I can see its color coding scheme. I'm using the dark theme, good for eyes. Okay. Now how to run? Consider you don't know, you are using any simple editor, and you don't know how to run this one. Sometime you, in some editor you get the run button. But in some editor, if you do not get the run button, then what to do? If you are not getting the run button, then what to do? Okay, so let's zoom it. Okay, then in that case, use the this one. Let me increase the font size of this one. Okay, very basic. Go to the folder where you saved this program. How to check? G drive, CD, Let's YouTube, 13 sept, and the Python. Hello, I am getting the output hello world. Question, let me take the question. Zoom हो गया, ठीक है, it's okay. Command prompt, what do Python after learning? What we do for or what we do after? Okay, what we do in Python after learning. Okay, you can make your software. I'm saying that what sometimes people think project. When we get the project, we will learn. When we get the project, no dear, create you for yourself. Create for yourself. I create the hacking tools. You can run, you can check my book. Okay, and second thing, I create software, lot of software for myself, small utilities for myself. If you want to see, I'm giving you a demo. This one, Finder, this is a faster file search in the hard disk, multiple hard disk. Some companies are also using this one. So this is created by me. Finder. How to use this one? Consider you want to see all the commands. So this is the command base small utilities for the Windows. Now you can see this is written in the Python language. Okay, now I can see it's consider I want to search any file in my computer system. Consider I want to search a file which contains CEH, or I want to search a song which contain WADA string, ends with the MP3, ends with the MP3, any song which contain this string. Now I can see I'm getting some Akshay Kumar ke song and this one karaoke, kya hua. Okay, and you can just within fraction of second I'm getting all the songs which contain this regular expression string, vada in the between and mp3 in the ending. Okay, and if I want to run, just type f and the number you want to run. Consider I want to run this fourth song, so fourth number, you can see it's running. Okay, so I'm not listening this song, I'm cutting this song. Okay, okay. So if you want to search, especially in one hard disk, if you want to search in the second hard disk, you can use Finder. If you remember small, if you remember the string means name, you can search. Okay, lot of time I forget that where I have saved that program. So I use Finder. There are so other software also which is bigger than the Finder I have created, and I will give you the demo. Okay, so create this type of software for yourself first before going for the project. Okay, how to make, and I'm getting again a question, Kanaiya, how to make hacking tools with Python. Dear, learn the book, Hacking Tools, my book, Python Penetration Testing, second edition. Go for that, you can learn. Okay, but for that, you must know about the networking, and you must know the Python. Okay, triple quote, let's see the triple quote. Okay, triple quote, print. So what is the benefit of triple quote? Triple quote you can use, okay, in the previous program you can use single quote here, but that must be under the single quote. Okay, you can use single quote if you want to use. We're running fine. Now it's time for the triple quote. What is the meaning of triple quote? So whatever you write in the triple quote, you will get the exactly same thing. So let me check any SMS, different type of SMS like text SMS art. I'm opening in the side screen, so maybe I'll get some good bunny type of SMS. Let me check. Yes, I got the bunny here, so I'm copy pasting that bunny over here. Okay, so I can see I'm getting some problem. No, there is no problem. Let's save. So save triple dot one py. Okay, done. Okay, actually this is the some configuration due to configuration. Let me change the configuration. Python triple quote. I'm using this stuff for triple quote and triple double. Let me yeah, okay, so this is a triple quote. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, triple quote. So if you are using this one, if you are using the notepad plus plus, so you can use directly over here open folder containing folder in cmd python triple. Now I can see bunny as it is. Okay, now you can see bunny as it is. Okay, and next, so what is the use, another use of triple quote? Consider if you want to comment, if you want to put the comment. So if you want to put a comment in one line comment, so you can use hash like print. Okay, let me open any code. There's so many. Okay, let's check this one. We can say this code. Okay, just change the style configurator. Okay, if you want to put one line comment, you can write like this, one line comment. But consider if you want to make a complete section as a comment, then just type the three quote over here, and consider I want to commit this one, so you end this one. So this entire section under the triple quote, you can use double quote for the triple quote, you can use single quote for triple quote. You can make it a comment, complete section as a comment. So I hope you're getting the sense. Okay. Okay. So completed this one, triple quote stuff. Now let's check next one. Backslash, we use backslash for the continuation of a string. So what is the meaning of continuation of a string? Consider I am writing one quote. Okay, what we think we became. That's okay. But consider if I okay, let's run this one, then check what we think we became. Okay, and consider I want to put in the next line. Let's run it. I'm saying video quality is bad. I'm not. I can see video quality is okay. I can see on my mobile. It's blurry. And I don't know. Can't we make bunny is only double C out? C out double quote. Okay, double quotes. Yes, you can put double quotes. No. Missed. You can use. No. You cannot use in the double quotes. Okay. If you consider try this one. This is a double quote, this is double quote. Can we print this line? No. You can see the error here, end of the line line scanning literal. So in this situation you have to give the backslash means we are still continue in the next line. Okay, everyone has a big quality. I don't know. Wait, let me give you 1 second. Video quality is bad, is saying that. Okay, let me connect again. Okay, just give me 1 second. Share screen number 1. So I hope stop sharing still. Share screen again. Let me check. It is shared against. StreamYard is sharing your screen, but it is not sharing. Let me share it again. Share screen number 1. It is not. It is not sharing the screen. What happened is the StreamYard? You are in the show, everyone can hear. StreamYard is not sharing my screen. I don't know why. What happened? Let me connect again. Okay, I'm leaving and just connect me. Let me connect again. There is some problem, maybe. Uh, Yes, now I'm back. Now I can see. I think you can see my screen now this time. Okay. So let me share it again. Okay. So sorry for disturbance. Okay. So backslash we have continued. And let's see the escape sequence. Let's see this escape sequence. So I have some escape sequence. Like first is sound system bell. Consider you want to produce some sound in the code. Okay. So you can use this alarm sound. Okay. How to produce? So I'm running over here. Okay, I'm running over here. Consider on the shell print alarm sound. So I'm getting some sound over here at this moment. It means when I use this one, small sound. Okay, not very big, just small. Maybe it depend upon your computer system. Sometimes you get the beep. Sometimes get the some different sound. Okay, new line, new line. So this is opposite of back continuation. New line. Consider if you want to put in the new line something in the new line, you can use new line character. So let's see, uh, print hello world and print what we think we became. Okay, save a new line. Okay, let's run it. Hello world, what we think we became. Okay, I'm getting this, but I can put this two line in just in one line and produce the same effect. How? Let's see, do it again in the same one, and I'm putting this internal stuff over here, and this new line, this is a new line character, and this one. Okay, now I can see hello world, this one I'm getting over here. Okay, okay, now I can see this one and this one. Okay, so I hope you're getting the sense. Okay, so this one is completed. Next is a horizontal tab. Consider you want to give some spaces. Okay, so consider you want to give some spaces. So I'm here. What do we think we became? N. Sorry, T. Okay, what do we think we became? Okay, what we think we became. Now I can see space here. Consider I want to print the um, slash. I want to print just slash. So if I use this one, I want to print this slash, backward slash. So what happened? Oh, I'm getting what we think we became. I'm not getting this T. I'm not getting that slash. Why? N means new line. N means new line. So what? Why? Because this slash, we our intention to print this slash, but this slash combined with this T and produce the effect of tab. So that's a problem over here. So how to solve this problem? For us, this one is a English syntax, but for Python interpreter, this is the tab character. So we need to put double slash over here to nullify the effect of one tab, one slash. Now I'm getting the what we slash thing we became. Okay, I hope you're getting the sense. So next one, single quotation mark and double quotation mark. So let me print one statement again. Python's world. I'm getting Python's word. Consider if I use single slash, single quote here. I can use single quote also. What is the error and why am I getting this error? Yes, any idea? Any idea? Anyone? Any idea? Yes, anyone? Yes, because we use this one. So how to nullify? Consider, so you can say uh, we can use double quote in the starting, in the ending. That's okay. But somebody said no, no, no. I hate double quote. That's not my style. My style to use single quote. Then you can say, okay, dear, you can use this one to nullify the effect of this one. Now this one is a English syntax, not the Python syntax. Okay, Python's world. Okay, chaliye. So this one is completed. Now it's time for the next slide. Variable. So now this is an important part and good for the interview purpose. Python variables. So what is the meaning of variable? Most of you know what is the meaning of variable. Variable means uh, that reserve the memory. Okay. Consider if I use a equal to 10. So Python has a property. It is a dynamically typed and the strongly typed. I think I forget that point. Okay, Python is a strongly typed and dynamically typed. What is the meaning of strongly typed and dynamically typed? Anyone? What is the meaning of strongly typed? Okay, let me open the slide again. I think I forget that point to discuss. No, 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 no. This one. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, so we were talking about this one. Python is readability. Okay, okay, object oriented. Python is dynamic typed and strongly typed. What is the meaning of dynamically typed and strongly typed? In the Python, in the C language, consider in the C language, I hope you know the some little bit about the C language. If you use, if you want to define a equal to 10 in the C language, you first need to use int a, then you can use a equal to 10. So in the other language, it is explicitly in the other language, it explicitly need to define this variable is a int type. But in the Python, we use just this one, a equal to 10, and this is defined at the runtime. Runtime. If this is appears to be a integer, then a is an integer. So runtime, that's a dynamically typed language. Okay, dynamically typed language. Like if I use and type of a, sorry, type of a integer. So integer type, class is integer. Okay, so class is integer. Okay, and what is the meaning of static type? Static type means the type of variable remains same throughout the execution until we change it explicitly. What is the meaning of this one? If I use a equal to 1, it remain equal to 1 until I change it again. Okay, and type is integer, so it remain integer. Consider b equal to 1. Both are 1. A1, B1, both are 1. Okay, but can we use this one a plus b? No, because a has a different type. A is a 1 also, b is a 1 also, but both have the different type, and we cannot add integer with string. Okay, that's why this is the statically type. In some language like javascript add this type of things, integer with string. Okay, but in the python this is not allowed to change the type just for uh, change the type for addition or anything, any operation. So we were talking about the variables. So variables, so python is a case sensitive language. Okay, python is a case sensitive language. You can use, in order to make a variable, you can use lowercase, uppercase, numbers, and uppercase and underscore. But one thing, you can use this python is a case sensitive language, so uppercase lowercase both are different. You can use number, but you cannot start any variable with numbers. Start is not, means in the start you cannot. You can use a10, that's a good variable, but you cannot use 10a, that's not a variable. Okay, so okay, so consider a10 equal to 90. A10 is 90, but 10a syntax error. So this is not the right variable. Sometime interview ask this question. Yes, but you can use this one. Okay, this is allowed, but this is not a good variable. You need to be mindful. You need to be clear while writing the name, while giving the name of variable. Okay. Okay, I hope you're getting the sense. So next is now I'm going to show how to define a variable a integer, sorry, integer a equal to 10. That's an integer. Okay. Now how it works in the memory. So we need to understand how it works in the memory. As sometime I feel you are a computer science, so if you are a computer science you need to understand this in the background. So what's the story behind this? When we use a equal to 10, okay, in the memory, in that, just like this ram a here in some other spaces, and our interpreter check whether we have 10 or not. No, we don't have 10. Create a 10 in the memory cell. This memory cell has an address, and that a denoting that address which containing the 10. Okay, you can directly create this arrow this side, but in the reality it is it is directed to the address. Okay, like type first type of a, that's integer, and if I want to check address you can use a. So its address is, oh, this very lengthy address, maybe in the 32 bit, it may be small. Okay, address is This one measure. I'm just writing the last 4 digit 4864. Okay. Sir, recording available हो जाएगा. Yes, recording will be available. Okay, recording will be available. Okay, we change the Python code. Okay, so this is the A. So A pointing to the address which contains the 10. You need to understand this concept because this is very meaning. This consider now if I use B equal to 10, B equal to A. Now B is also pointing to same memory address which contain the 10. Okay, you want to check? Both are same. Now consider if I use C equal to 10. In this situation, now what happened? In this one, I'm passing the address explicitly. B contain the A's address. Now this time I'm saying C equal to 10. So A equal to 10, C equal to 10. Now question is whether C will create a new 10. Okay, let me use a different color. I'm asking question to you. New 10 or same 10. So tell me green arrow or blue arrow. Tell me the answer, green arrow or blue arrow. Which one in your choice? Blue arrow or green arrow? Whether C pointing to the same 10 or different 10? Yes. Blue, green, blue, green. Tell me in the chat box. Green. Same 10. Green. Sometimes say green, blue, green, blue, green, green, blue. Yes, yes, yes. So it's mixed mode. Blue, blue, green, green, blue, green, blue. Okay, now let's open the suspense. This time, ID of C. Now please check whether it is same or not. It's same. Nila, yes, it's same. Nila, same. Not green deer. It's a blue color. Same. Means A, B, C all are pointing to same variable. I hope you're getting the sense. So this can be question asked in the interview. Okay. So I hope you're getting the sense. A, B. In the case of integer, consider. Let me write the example again. Okay. So I'm just removing the all the stuff. Okay. Now A equal to note x equal to 300, y equal to 300, id of x, and consider if I create a diagram and x 300, y here. So this one pointing to this one and last 504. This time I am using the different arrow. Tell me green or yellow? Green or yellow? So green or yellow? Okay, let me change the color because sometimes people see the different color. So it's a red actually. Yellow or red? Yeah, green. You can say green or whatever. It's maybe a red or green. Green arrow, red arrow, whatever. Red. So most of the people are writing the red. Let's see the answer. ID of y. Oh, it's different. It's different. It's yellow. It's totally opposite to the previous one. So that kind of interview question can be asked in the that kind of interview question can this kind of question can be asked in the interviews. Okay, you must know the logic behind that. What happening here? Okay, so this is the okay. So people are saying, can you explain? You this is the explanation. Okay, let me explain. So if you're using the any integer with 5 to range of 256, this is very confidential. Okay, I'm telling you. Okay, confidential. 5 to 6, 5 to 6, 256 means same memory, and like minus 6 or like after 256, 257, like this one. Beyond this range and beyond this range. Beyond this means beyond this range. Beyond this range, you will get the different. So that's an interview question. Okay. So if you create 10 minus 4, 20, 200, you will get the same address. But after minus 5 and 256, you will get the different memory address. So that's kind of interview question can be asked in the interviews. Okay, I hope you're getting the sense. Now let's proceed further. So in the Python, we have different type of operators. Okay, like we have plus operator, minus operator. Okay, plus, minus, divide. Okay, I hope you know this. This is a very basic thing. Okay, plus, minus, like 10 plus 20, this type of operator. Okay, let me open the operator. Variable assignment operator. So we have different type of operator like arithmetic operator, comparison operator, bitwise operator, logical operator, membership operator, identity operator. You must learn this operator. Okay, where how to use. So it is very simple. Arithmetic operator is that we have been learning since our childhood. Okay, exponent means power symbol. Exponent means power symbol. Consider I want to create a power like 10 raised the power 3. I'm sorry, it's a multiply double power, double star 100. Okay, now question is how to produce this under root, square root. I want the square root of 10. Then what to do? Yes, tell me in the chat box how to get the under root of 10. Yes, anyone? That's a divide actually. The forward slash, that's a floor value. Consider if you use single slash 6, means you are dividing. Or this one, consider if you are using 4, and this is a floor value. This is a double floor. Okay. This one is a divide. This one is divide. And this is a floor divide, floor division. Means divide and get the floor value. Yes, Ravi Kumar giving the right answer, and yes, Nantha Kumar J also giving the right answer. So very simple. 10 raise the power half, 0.5. So in this way we can produce a square root. Okay. Yes. So this is the arithmetic operators. Next is, so these are the comparison operator, return the value in the true and false form. So double equal to, less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to. Okay, so these are the comparison, means it produce a value true and false. Okay, can I ask the question, interview question from this one? If you want, I can ask the questions. Consider 10 greater than 20. False. Okay. So people are saying yes. So it's a false. Okay. Have you heard about this AND operator? AND. In the C language, I hope you know this one. AND. What is the meaning of AND? So true and false. I'm getting false. Okay. If both true, then it will give the answer. It's an AND operator. Or there's an OR operator. Now tell me the answer. It's true. Okay. So AND will give the answer only both are true. If anything is a false, AND will give the false. I hope you are getting the sense. So ये हमने पढ़ा है. We already know this thing. Now the question is, consider if I write Intel. I'm getting error. Intel is not defined. Intel is not defined. Okay. So consider if I use 10, 20 and 7 greater than 5. Will we get true or false? Tell me. Tell me. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, it's false. Because first condition is false. This is false, so entire expression is false. Okay. If I make this one true, this one is true, this one is true. That's okay. Okay. Now consider if I use Intel over here. Then tell me the answer in the chat box. Tell me the answer in the chat box. Sometimes people say it's a false or sometimes error. Not running program. Okay, yes, it's a error. Okay, that's great. This is just a background. Now I'm asking the real interview question. Now tell me, will we get what will I get here? Now this time, tell me, everyone, it's false or error. Sometimes people say error, false, error, error, false. This time false. Intel is just a variable. You can say Intel is not defined. You can use I, B, C, whatever. You can use Dell, whatever. Explain. People are saying explain. Okay, let me explain. So let's check from this one. What is this? False. If AND operator get the first false condition, it never checks the second one. Because what is AND? If one is false, entire expression is false. So it is getting false from the first side. Will it need to check second one? No. So it will not evaluate this expression. That's why I'm getting just false without any error. In the previous one, this was true. This was true. So AND operator is checking whether second expression is false or not. That's why while evaluating, it was giving the error. But this time it is not. This time in this one, it is not giving the error. Okay. So I hope you're getting the sense. So yes, people are asking what about the OR. So in this condition, if I use OR, will I get error or not? Sorry, not in this one. So I use the Intel here. We can use Dell here. Okay, Dell. It's a true because first expression is true. Yes, this time I'm using or operator. No need to check second one. Okay. So I hope you're getting the sense. Okay, let's see the next one. So this is very simple assignment operator, and this is the variant you can use if you want to use. Otherwise, you can skip. This one we have seen. So it a equal to a plus 10. You can directly write like this. This is shortcut form. Nothing important, just a shortcut form. Okay. Now let's see the next one. So this is a bitwise operator. Bitwise operator, it is for the electronics guy, electronics person. Bitwise operator. Okay, it's good for if you want to use something like IP addressing, subnet mask calculation. Good for that. Okay, bitwise or means convert the integer into bits, then perform the or operation, then done. Okay, so this is a bitwise operator. I hope you know this one. Next, bitwise. If you don't know the bitwise, let me explain. I'm giving you explanation of and or. Okay, so consider 241. I'm getting 241. How? So first of all, we need to convert this 242 decimal. How to convert? Okay, my camera is off, so just turn back. Okay, so how 241? First convert this 242 the decimal place. Decimal. So you can take the help of your calculator. Calc. Cal C. You can take the help of your Calc if you want to convert to decimal. Okay, but if you if you don't know how to convert it in the Python, then you can take the help of your calculator. But you can convert this 241 to binary like this, binary to 40. I am getting b extra, b extra. So we can remove this b extra by using this expression. I know this is a little bit hard for you. So this is the binary for 240. This is a binary of 240 and the 1. So binary of 1 is 1. So what happened? Let me just write in the binary form 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0. This is a binary of 240. And for the 1, let me write in the 8-bit representation. What is the and or for this one? Or 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1. So this expression, we have this expression. Okay, this expression. So if I write this expression 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 1. So this is expression, and if I want to convert it into int, so convert into int 241 means this convert this string with the base 2. Okay, with the base 2. That's why I'm getting the 241. So I hope you are getting the sense. Okay, similarly you can perform the AND operation. I hope now you can do it your own. 0. Okay, so okay, let me little bit zoom. Okay, I hope you're getting the sense of bitwise operator. Okay, so please try this one. I don't know this Zor. I know Zor. Once complement, left shift, right shift. Do it yourself. Okay. Logical operator we know and or and this not. Not is an inverter. Whatever we are getting, not will invert that value. True to false, false to true. Okay, not. In or not in. That's a membership operator. Membership. membership. What is the meaning of membership? Membership operator. Membership means check the member. So we have some complex type of data structure. Okay, where is that? Yes. So we have some complex type of data structure like string equal to Python programming. I want to check whether P is a member of A or not. So we can check P in A. Yes, true. So if I check Z, false. You can see in the Python programming there is no Z, no Z. Okay. Okay. And consider you can also use not in inverter. Yes, Z not in the part of not in the A. That's true. Okay. Next is or is not. Is or is not. Is or is not. So what is the meaning of is and is not? 300 sorry equal to 300. Oh sorry, first of all let me write over here. X equal to 30, y equal to 30. X, whether x equal to y, yes, x is y. What is the meaning of is not? It means that whether both are pointing to same memory object or not. X 300, y 300. If this is true, it means that both are pointing to same memory object. Okay, same memory object. Consider if I use m equal to 300 and n equal to 300. Both are same, but whether both are pointing to same memory object? No, false. See this one. This time, if I check the just size, both are 300, 300. Consider this is m, so 300. This is also 300. This is the m. This is n. Size is same, 300, 300, but both are false. Both are not same at the same memory address. Yeah, it's above this 250. Okay, so assignment. Check the is operator. Is operator operator rator on the float and string and write your findings. That's the first one. First one. Okay, write your findings. Whatever you're getting. Okay. So assignment 1. Now this one is the operator precedence. We need to understand what is the meaning of operator precedence. So consider if you get the same precedence in one expression. So this one is a lower precedence, and we are going downward as an increasing. So if we get or and in one expression, try to find the answer. Consider if we get 10 greater than 3 and 80 greater than 6 or 3 greater than 4. So now how to solve this kind of expression? Whether I solve uh, green wala part first one, or should I solve red wala part first one? So check the table. Table is saying and or has the lower priority. You can see and going downward, we are increasing the precedence. So first solve and wala thing and first solve this and first solve this and operator. First solve this one. So this one is greater true, and this one is sorry, this up to this one. Okay, 80. This one, yeah, true. Both are true. This true, this true, and then solve the or wala part. Okay, so final answer, I think it's true. Okay, final answer is true. I hope you're getting the sense. Okay, so this one is a another kind of interview question. Whether we solve this one, or consider if I get uh, over here 10, then what to do? Is true or false? Because this condition, okay, I know it's true again, but consider if I use 7 over here, 7, and if I use 2 over here, sorry, 7, not 7, it's 1 here, 0 1 here, then in that condition you can say, okay, should I get true or false? It's a true, because this condition is false, but this is true. That's why complete expression is true. Okay, so if you solve or wala part first, then it falls. Okay, consider you get the wrong, consider you solve this one, this is the true, this is true, and this is false, final result is false, but we need to solve and wala part first, then we get the true answer. So we need to understand this thing. Now I'm giving you one question. 1 greater than 3 greater than 4. So what is the meaning of this one? So you have to evaluate what is the logic behind that. So that's your second question. How to solve this thing? I'm not in the answer, I'm not interested in the how to solve. Check over the internet whatever and check, get the answer. That's your second assignment. Okay, and next is, so this one, this star, sorry, change the color, power symbol, at the rate we are not doing any much. This is the matrix multiplication, and this is the forward slash, that is the forward slash is means the divide, and this modulus, this is a modulus actually. Modulus means reminder. Okay, so if you get everything in one line, how to solve? Because everyone has the same precedence. Consider if you get the expression 10 plus 10 plus 80 divide by 90 90 80 divided by 9 multiply by 10. Now question is, both have the same precedence. This one same and this one same. How to solve? If we solve like 900 then 80, so I'm getting 0 point something. But if I get 80 divided by 9, that is around the 8, then multiply by 10. So what do I get? No, it's not a board mass rule, dear. It's not a board mass rule. So every time we use board mass rule, but if I use a different one, consider if I use 8 multiply by this one and then divide by 10. Then, so whenever we get the expression means uh, operator of same precedence, then we start from the left to right. this plus has the lower precedence, so we will evaluate at the last. First we need to solve this one. If we get star, if we get this one, this forward slash divide in the same expression, we have to solve from the right to left rule. Right to left. So first one, 8 multiply by 9, so we will get the 72. If you apply board mass rule na, you will get 9 divided by 10, that's a 0 point something, and then multiply that thing, so you will get something 8, around 8 or something something. Okay, so let's see what I get. I'm getting 17 points, so if I remove this 10, let's check what will I get. 7.2. But consider if I apply your board mass rule, then okay, I'm getting again 7.2. Okay, this is the Python 3 na? That's why it is taking the integer. Actually, if you use 10 divided by 5, I'm getting 2.0 here. Integer divided by integer give the float value, but in the Python 2 it will give the integer value. Okay, so every time we need to start from the left to right. Okay, left to right rule, but in some cases we do not use left to right rule, which is that case is exponent. Why? What is the meaning of exponential? In the expansion we use right to left. Right to left, consider I want to write this one, 2 raised the power 1. How to write in exponent form? How to write? So 2 raised the power 2, so if I want to write this one, oh, oh. So 2, now we have two expression in one line. One is the power symbol exponent, and one is the unary minus. So let's check the table. Who has the more priority, exponent or unary minus? If I check this one, yes, so you can see no where's the power symbol? I forget that power. Yes. So now you can see this is a power symbol, and we are going downward as an increasing precedence. So this is a unary minus. So unary minus has a lower precedence. So solve the unary minus at the end. So what happened according to our expression, our thinking, left to right, our thinking. So in this one, sorry, not here. Oh, where is that? Yes. So in this one, what happened? So our rules are saying that solve the exponent first, then solve the -1 issue. It means, in our opinion, this will be -2. No, but this is not the -2, you know very well. This is the 0.5. What happened? In the case of exponent, solve this unary one, it is saying minus, and then exponent. So 2 raised the power -1 means half, 1 by 2. So this is about the today's session. I hope you like the today's session. So please do this assignment. So if I get one more question, I will upload today. Okay. So this is assignment. Okay. Yes. Apply the one more question. Apply. Okay. I've already done that. This one. This thing. Okay. Use int, float, and str function. Demonstrate this one. Demonstrate. Okay. Give the one example of this function. Okay, try to find it over the internet. So this is assignment one. Okay, so I hope you like the today's lecture. So let me unstop my screen, stop share. Okay, how are you now? Like or not? So we get less strength. Maybe they are feeling hungry like me. This is the your uh, session, so I can see over here. Yes, everyone. Good session. Yes. I try to use a PDF file. You can use PDF. PDF file. Okay, so I have covered some interview question. Okay, so try this one. So that you can get some value. Okay, you. What is my aim to for this session to give you some detailed knowledge, deep knowledge. Okay, so if you go through, if you means subscribe our PGP course, you get a lot of information. That's a 200 hour of course. Okay, enroll in this one. You will get lot of new thing, lot of thing. I will give you I will tell you how to write your own software. Okay, like I can give my computer command by using give the command to my computer by using the mic, like finder search this file. Okay. Okay, bye everyone. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you very much. Thank you for joining with me. And stay tuned for the next episode, next video, next episode, next session. Bye bye everyone. Bye bye. Yes, you can take the screenshots. Yes. Bye bye. Bye bye.